Welcome to our channel. If you're starting a new business and want to try professional software or services with a free trial, follow these step-by-step instructions to access business-specific trial offers. Step 1. Research the business software or service you need, such as accounting software, customer relationship management tools, project management platforms, or cloud storage solutions. Step 2. Visit the official website of your chosen service and navigate to the Business or For Business section, as many companies offer extended trials specifically for business customers. Step 3. Look for free trial, try for free, or start free trial buttons, which are often more prominent on business-focused pages compared to consumer offerings. Step 4. Click the trial button and select the business plan that best matches your needs. Business trials often provide access to premium features not available in personal plans. Step 5. Create a new account using your business email address rather than a personal email. Using a professional email domain increases credibility and may unlock extended trial periods. Step 6. Enter your business information, including company name, size, industry, and business address. Accurate information helps ensure you receive business-appropriate features and support. Step 7. Provide payment information by entering a business credit card or corporate payment method. Your payment method won't be charged during the trial, but it's required for account verification. Step 8. Complete the registration and explore all business features during your trial period. Many services offer onboarding support, training resources, and dedicated business customer service to help you evaluate the platform effectively. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.